My truck has been totally surrounded by flood victims. You can see that's my truck. And we had got some relief goods here in Bin Qasim town, Razakabad. And our truck has lots of flour and ration bags, and all these people are attacking our truck and our people, and there's no system here to distribute goods. People are violent and crazy, and the way they are attacking my truck is insane. We came here to help these people, but unfortunately we cannot distribute goods because these people have attacked our van, and unfortunately there's no way that we can do this in a civil manner. Just see that.